Okay, good morning, guys. Now, if you know how to sketch a quadratic curve, it will be very useful when you use it to find quadratic inequalities. Okay, today we'll talk about these quadratic inequalities. Quadratic inequalities, and we can get the answer using sketching. You'll be very fast, right? Like, for example, first one, find a range of values of x where you have this, say, x minus 2 and x minus 5 greater than 0. First one, how to do this? Now, what we'll do is we will sketch. We'll sketch y equal to x minus 2, x minus 5. Or you can let y go to this. Okay, sketch this graph. Now you can see from here, just now we did the sketching. Okay, y equal to 0, here x will be equal to 2 or 5, right? So we can sketch here x equal to 2, x equal to 5, right? Then it's a minimum curve, so the curve will be something like this. Now the curve here, the question is, this whole thing greater than 0. That means they are asking you y greater than 0, x, what are the value of x? That means x equal to what? Okay. So which part of the curve where y is greater than 0? What is the value of y here? Positive or negative? Value of y here? Positive or negative? Y, positive or negative? How about here? How about here? How about here? The value of y will be here, right? To find the value of y here, you go here. Value of y here, you go there, right? So value of y is positive, that means it will be the part of the curve which is above. That means this part and this part, right? So the part when y greater than 0, what are the value of x? The value of y greater than 0 will be here and here, right? So x will be here. These are the value of x you can have, and these are the value of x you can have. So that means your answer will be x will be greater than 5, or x on this side means x must be less than 2. Okay? And your answer, you should write it this way. Why can't we write this way? Can we write this way? X less than 2 and then x greater than 5, right? So can I write like this? Can or not? Why not? Now there is a simple thing they call transitive property. Right. Now for example, guys, this is you, and I know your this is this is your father. Your grandfather will always be older than your father, right? And your father will be older than you. Yes. So looking at it, if you write like this, okay, can you take for example, grandfather be 2 years old and you are 5 years old? So you cannot write this way. This is not acceptable. You have to write it separately this way. Okay? Alright. Next one, very quickly. Yeah. Can you do this? 2x plus 3. Then we want to have 5 minus 3x. Okay. Greater than 0, for example. Right? How to do it? I'll show you in a short while.